Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. We're going to be making some filled chocolates today. I've got some tempered dark chocolate here and I'm just going to fill up my molds. Let's get a little bit in there. That's good. I've got a little paintbrush here and now I can just go up the sides. Just quickly paint right up to the sides just to have that chocolate to the top, just like that. Make sure you're right up to the top on all of them. That looks good. It's good. Flip it back over. You can see I did a nice job. And then I'm just going to take a little scraper and I'm just going to go over the top just to clean that off. I'll do it one more time. That's good. And then take this and now tilt it upside down. So I'm going to leave that there for a little while and then I'll come back. So this is about 20 minutes later. I'll just lift this off. Then we'll flip it over and you can see what a nice job that did. So I've loaded a little bit of this Kraft marshmallow cream into a piping bag just to make things super easy, and then we'll pipe these. So to make this easy, I've just put this into a piping bag and then I'm just going to start filling all of this in. And you can do this either way. You can completely cover the top of the mold and then scrape it off, or you can go this way as well. That's good. And then I'm just going to tap this. And just because I want these completely flat, I'm just going to use a large scraper and I'm just going to go right over. Just like that. That looks pretty good. And now we're just going to leave it like that until it's completely set. And then later on, I will come back and we will unmold them. So here we are again. I put my mold into the fridge for 10 minutes and then I pop them all out. And we'll just get in here right in the middle. Nice little click. Look at that. Oh, a really nice thin shell I got there. And look at this. Can you see that? Isn't that nice? Wow. Gotta go in for a bite. Okay, that was really good. These are well worth your time trying out at home. You get that nice crunch from the chocolate on the outside and then that nice soft marshmallow filling. So once again, this is the product that I used inside. Marshmallow cream made by Kraft. And there we have it right there. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. And also please remember that any video that you see here on my YouTube channel is also available on my Facebook page. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.